Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Overnight Action Report here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joe Cusick with the Cusick Group Securities offered by MoneyBlock, here to give you all the action out of Asia on the overnight. Taking a look at Japan's Nikkei, just settled above the flat line. That ends the week lower by 2.8%. The yen slumped over the session to 113.15 against the U.S. dollar after the Bank of Japan came in and basically propped up the bond market to keep the 10-year Japanese bond just below 0.11%. Apple supplier Fujikara, this thing really flew. It surged 12.4%. Now that's after Apple had some great earnings, and a lot of the components have been moving to the upside from Apple. While Sony, Suzuki Motor, and Komatsu all climbed between 1.3% and 5% respectively. EWJ is trading at $50.82. This Japanese ETF has a range today of 32 cents. Watch $50. Again, that's going to be the critical level that has to hold for the bulls in Japan. Taking a look at the Chinese Shanghai Composite, it is back online after being on holiday for the last week. It reopened, surrendering 0.6% in the overnight session. Now, the People's Bank of China did come in and raise short-term interest rates. That had Simomac Automobile, Shanghai Material Trading, as well as GD Tire, all losing between 2.9% and 3.9%. FXI, the Chinese ETF, is trading at 36.68. It has a range right now being priced in today of 35 cents. We'll keep an eye on that one. It's about a 1% move. We're going to watch 36.24 very closely. That's midterm support. Watch that level. A break there in the session could mean that the bulls might be a little bit midterm uneasy. Take a look at Hong Kong's Hang Seng, finished down 0.2%. That extended the week's decline of 1%. Want China was the weakest performer, falling 1.7%. You're also seeing financials among the laggards. Bank of East Asia, BOC Hong Kong, as well as HSBC, ICBC, as well as Ping An Insurance, all losing between 0.4% and 1.1%. Now, China Life Insurance did buck the trend, climbing 1.7%. EWH, the Chinese Hong Kong ETF, is trading at 21.09. Over the next 14 days, it's expecting around a 40-cent range. So it's about 2% for the next 14 days. Watch 2046, 2050 level. That is going to be a critical level for the bulls to hold in this Hong Kongese ETF. India's Sensex added 0.1%, and it extended its weekly gain, really a solid week in India, of 4.5%. Most financials did show strength. SBI, Axis Bank, and HDFC, all rising between 0.6% and 0.7%. Or 1.7%, excuse me, while ICICI Bank, it did fall 1.5%. Now, EPI is trading at 21.43. This Indian ETF has an estimated range today of 22 cents, so it's right around 1% for today, either up or down. All right, folks, that is it for the overnight action here for Asia. Join me at 8:45 Eastern Time. I'm going to be covering everything that's happening now that the European markets are open here at MarketStream.live. See you then.